So you all may be thinking that this is a really expensive PC, but we're gonna let you in on a little secret.
This gaming PC is only $450. You don't believe us? Well, in today's video, we're gonna show you how you can build it, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
Are you looking to upgrade your audio game? Today's sponsor, Mono, has you covered with their DM30 RGB microphone. The DM30 is the most cost-effective microphone under $50. It even won the Innovation Award at CES. With its excellent sound quality and high sensitivity, it's able to pick up 24-bit high sampling rate. With the Mono DM30, you're able to adjust your voice through EQ, tone, and other functions through the MonoLink software. It's perfect for all use cases when paired with a 3-in-1 smart knob, monitoring, and other features. Let's not forget about the aesthetics. With its full metal integrated body design and adjustable RGB, this thing will look great on any setup. If you're interested in learning more or in buying the Mono DM30 today, check out the links in the description down below. Big thanks to Mono for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back to it.
This right here is a CPU and a motherboard. The reason they're together is we had to test it because this motherboard came all the way from AliExpress, but we have a Ryzen 2600 underneath the stock cooler, which we did include in the price. You can get these for around $99 on eBay. But yeah, Ryzen 5 2600, which is a 6-core 12-thread that you can get from AliExpress, and we actually ended up paying $40 for it. And the motherboard was $54. That's kind of why we have these together, is this is almost an AliExpress pairing in a way, but it's actually not a CPU motherboard RAM combo for once. And the specific board is a Maxon Challenger B450M, which I actually see these on Amazon from time to time, but they're probably not as good of a deal. And then for RAM, we have some new TeamGroup 16 gig Vulkan Z. This is 3200 megahertz kit, and it is 16 total, so dual channel, 8 gigs each. And yeah, it's gonna be some good RAM. You could get RGB if you wanted to as well, just spend a little bit more. And now for the SSD, we have this Gen 3 Crucial P3, but look at these speeds. These are almost Gen 4 speeds, 1 terabyte. They're so cheap now, it's like, why not? Get a ton of storage for Call of Duty and all those other games. And hopefully this NVMe will work well inside of this motherboard. We'll find out soon.
Now for the graphics card, I got inspired to use this GPU again after our budget build challenge video we did recently. This is an RX 6600 Lite, which the 6600 is one of our favorite budget cards right now, but you can get the Lite version for significantly cheaper on the used market. This one was $139, but I've seen these things as cheap as $120, and when you're comparing it to other used cards, it's really hard to beat this. 8 gigs of VRAM, no problem playing the latest titles 1080p high settings, and this one's in pretty solid shape. Now, if you want to know what the difference is between the Lite is, I believe it has a slightly lower clock speed, and it comes with 2 less video outs. So you only have 2 video outs for dual monitors max, which for most people is plenty. I mean, a lot of people with gaming setups only run 2 monitors, but the price performance is hard to beat, and considering the sacrifices, I think it's more than worth it. Now for the power supply, this is good old reliable. This is the Zalman GigaMax 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. We really don't even need 600 watts, but this is such a good price right now. They do sell a 500 watt version that's only like $5 cheaper, so why not get 600 watts to have room for upgrades in the future? And yeah, we're very excited to use this again because it's one of our favorites here on the channel. Now, speaking of very excited, I'm very excited to take a look at this Apevia case. This is the Prism, which is a micro ATX case that resembles a popular brand out there, the O11 Dynamic Mini. But the reason this is a really good deal is you can get it on Amazon. I don't know if it's going to be out by the time this video comes out, but it will be on Amazon for $69. It does feature these RGB fans pre-installed. Now they're probably going to be proprietary. We have 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and 2 up top. The 2 up top is the big thing because those are actually intake fans. We reviewed that DIY PC one a while ago that had all exhaust and it wasn't great for airflow, but this one's gonna be great. And we're kind of toying with the idea of this being a case for PC Bros PCs in the future. So let us know what you think of this case in the comment section down below. But I'm very excited to put this PC together and see how it performs. I think the combo of a Ryzen motherboard from AliExpress and this used GPU will deliver some awesome price performance. So I'll waste some more time and put it together. All right, guys, we are kicking things off in Fortnite, and these are the settings we're running right now, but I might change them here in a second. We're gonna go ahead and drop in though, and I just love Fortnite OG. I will say, everything defaults to DX12. Every time I've launched it, love to see it. And the performance is just great. You don't have to dial in any sort of extra changes. The performance is just solid out the gate. And it looks like so far it's doing pretty good. We are running more of a higher setting, which I will optimize this a bit because we are on a $450 PC. But it's looking good so far. Bit of a stutter loading in. I think we're a little CPU bottlenecked right now, actually. But we'll see if things settle out once we land in and actually survive. Yeah, FPS is settling out right now on this higher preset. We're getting 100 FPS. Not bad. Not too bad if you say so myself. Okay, goodbye. Oh! Goodness gracious, everyone just came out of nowhere there. Let's see if I can juke this guy. All right, we're going inside this building, and you know what, just for the fun of it, because I am a high FPS chaser, ladies and gentlemen, I want to be able to see the 100 plus, 200 plus FPS on a PC like this. Let's see if we can get in here and mess with that a little bit. So we're gonna turn these off, shadows on medium. Let's see what that does. Oh yeah, there we go. The shadows are lower. Doesn't look as good, I will say, but hey, for the sake of performance, a little bit better across the board. And you could turn off some TSR upscaling because we are, I think, a little CPU bottleneck with the 2600. We're not getting a full 99% on the GPU, but I'm probably just gonna leave it just because it makes things easier. And it doesn't look bad. I will say, running 1080p TSR sometimes can look kind of bad. This looks pretty good. Do not take my kill. My kill. But yeah, this combo is really good. Obviously, if you wanted to go with a used, like, secondhand, like, AM4 motherboard with a 2600 or a 3600, if you can find one, that's even better. You could just avoid the AliExpress experience altogether. Some of those are probably just as good refurbished, if I'm being honest, but the AliExpress option is cool for people internationally who want a motherboard for 50 bucks, CPU for, I believe it's cheaper now since I've ordered it, because you know with AliExpress, stuff takes forever to show up. I think you get the CPU for like $40 now, so you got a CPU motherboard, slap in some DDR4 memory. You got something that could compete with those Xeon combos, but it's on an AM4 platform that's much more upgradable. So one may argue that this is a way better option than those CPU motherboard combos on AliExpress, considering you're on a newer platform, but yeah, the performance is really good. Very, very good. Price performance really good. You just got to be a little bit risky when it comes to getting some CPU motherboard combos or just general cheaper combos like this, like the AM4 motherboards that you can find used or on AliExpress. Boogie Bomb! All right. Oh, I've been needing something like this. I was going to say, it's a very... I was just going to say, that's a very bold play on my part. I think I found a real person. Nice. But hey, Fortnite runs absolutely great. Very, very good in Fortnite OG, and a lot of people are trying to get back into PC gaming. We kind of have like a resurgence of Fortnite gamers because of this new update, so it's really cool to see, and people wanting to get into PC gaming on a budget. This thing is definitely going to do it for you. Now let's go ahead and switch to some more games that'll stress this thing to its limits, and then we'll also run some really demanding games at the end. You guys always ask for really demanding games, more, well, non-FPS games, and we have them for you at the end of this benchmark run. We have Spider-Man, I think we have Cyberpunk, and we also have Starfield. Those are going to be like our trifecta right now of really high-end games, but give us some suggestions down below if you want to see any others.
Alright guys, we're playing Halo Infinite, and we are currently on a medium preset, 1080p. We got max FOV. Let's see what this thing can do. Playing some ranked too. Realistic.
Realistic. 100 plus FPS, medium settings. Not too bad for this combo for 450 bucks, and it looks pretty good while doing it.
Keep this guy touching our... Okay, he touched it. Dang it. Oh my god, there's 3 of them over here.
Yes.
Yeah, y'all like my little shieldy shield?
Yes.
Yeah. I really wanted to kill this guy. There we go. If I die, it's worth. shouldn't have peeked me. Son, ow.
Oh, someone from
Tried
behind.
baiting that
Gotcha.
guy, and yeah, that didn't work in my favor.
I got one.
I feel like a really well-placed grenade, and he didn't die. How are my punches not killing? Another well-placed grenade, if I do say so myself. Don't even think about it, mister.
And he's running away.
I hate that guy. Yeah, go ahead and melee me, come on.
It's absolutely insanity.
I knew those guys were gonna push it, and that was a double kill. That was so worth it.
Nice. Oh.
It's smart for him to have overshield and take our flag.
Go, teammate, go!
Oh my god. Did we
Put it
do
back, you gotta
we don't
return,
have the flag, do
you
we?
gotta return it.
Oh no.
It's right there.
Oh, we
It's
got
just-
it.
It
We
was
got
just
it.
sitting right there.
Oh.
It was just sitting on
so
the ground.
He was returning. Okay.
Yeah.
I saw like a way and I thought it was there. Well,
Hey,
guys,
let's
that was
go.
a long match. That was intense, but we won. Let's go into another game.
Let's play some more demanding games and then wrap this video up, guys.
Like Fortnite.
Like Fortnite, smile.
More demanding than Halo. All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking our $450 gaming PC, and as you can see, this thing looks pretty clean. I think it looks like it's worth more than $450, and it definitely performs like it's worth more as well.
Yeah, that combo of the 2600 and 6600 works very well, and as you can see in the higher end games we tested, we have no problems on lower settings, getting 60 plus FPS in most demanding titles, and we really like this case from Apevia with all the RGB pre-installed. Now, we will say it took forever to get to the red color scheme by hitting that reset switch over and over again. Jonah's already getting scared that I'm hovering over this button, but yeah, very awesome case from Apevia, and for the price, I think it's a good case for any sort of budget build or somewhat higher end builds as well. So check those links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links, and they will help us out. Let us know what you think of this PC build guide, and if you decide to build it yourself, let us know in the comments.
As always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
So this PC right here will be available at our PC selling business, PCBros.tech, with a 1-year parts and labor warranty.
PCBros.tag. We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. If you use code TOASTYBROS2 and check out, you'll save 2% your next purchase. And stay tuned for Black Friday. We got a lot of sales coming. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.